Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet and select Add to Wallet. Now, focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass and select Transport Pass you would like to add to your Google Wallet account. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Select Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card. Now select card you would like to add and enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and select Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.